Alright, let's check and see what's going on under the hood here. Not the easiest thing to get up into. Alright, where to start? So over here we got the S&B cold air intake. Awesome intake, very well designed, looks great, very functional. The side opens up into the fender. There's also a bottom cap, which I have removed for additional airflow. And on the bottom cap you can install a scoop that mounts up under the factory bumper. Intake runs down. I got the third generation manifold on there, T3 BD manifold. It's a two-piece manifold. As you can see, the truck's fully deleted, no EGR cooler, no crossover, no EGR. Also removed all the plastic in the front mount here that holds it off the valve cover. It's got a partial H&S delete kit on it. It's got the H&S bracket right there. Used to have the delete plates, but then when I switched the manifold, those kind of went away. There you go, you can kind of see. Now I have the Glacier Diesel Performance, or Glacier Diesel Power. It's got a silicone tube that goes over there, a fitting, and an adapter to run the coolant bypass back to the head. And then it's got the CCV open air breather. And down on the intake, just above the turbo, you can see where it's plugged with the plug and hose from the kit. And what that does is just prevents dumping all that crap back into your turbo. Instead, it filters it into the air. Alright, down in here you got a ATS Aurora 5000. It's a 7183 turbo. Kind of hard to see because it's purple and everything in here is black. There you go. And you can see the two pyros, one for the H&S tuner and one for the Snow Performance water methanol injection kit. You see it's got a 5.9 elbow going to the 5-inch exhaust. And the reason is because the 6.7 liter elbow was a little bit too small. Got a custom ATS hot side boost tube here that runs out. There you go, you can kind of see it there. Runs out of the turbo, goes down up under the intake, and it mounts, runs all the way down in there to the intercooler. Coming over the other side, got the Glacier Diesel Performance, the Megaflow S2 flanged intake manifold. It's got the, you can see the billet aluminum grid heater delete plate. There you go, you can kind of see it there. And it runs the whole length underneath the common rail here. Then you can see the GDP grid heater relocation. It's all billeted out. And on the bottom side, see where it's got the power wire for the heater. It's super high flow. It's basically deleted the stock one, and the GDP kit has two larger heaters stacked one in front of each other with a really good flow design. It's got a really nice billet aluminum plate to mount the dipstick, the engine oil dipstick. And then it runs down into a silicone boost tube down under there to the factory intercooler. You can see the power wires there, the fuses for the HID lights. And down in there you can see the H&S Pyro adapter and the all the electronics for the amp research steps back in there. What I really like about the GDP intake manifold is on the back side it's got 6 ports. And as you can see, I'm running a water methanol injection kit from Snow Performance, and I'm using 4 of those 6 ports, 3 for injectors and 1 for a boost tap. You can kind of see the 3. You can see the lines run down in there to the solenoid and then back to the rear to the pump. It's got ARP 625 head studs. You can kind of see the outside ones on the exhaust side here. And the way to tell the 625s from the 425s, or also referred to as the 2000s, is the silver stud versus a black stud. And then they both have black nuts. And that's a pretty quick look at the engine compartment here. Super clean and simple. Nothing fancy.